This is Mahmoud and Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we're going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is our top view, and this is our uh, back view. And here we can see this is our section view A, and this is our view A. Then we can see this is our right side view, and this is our bottom view. Okay, so first of all, I listed drawing from the front plane. In the front plane, I'll draw a horizontal line. I'll draw this outer shape, and for drawing this outer shape, first of all, I will take a horizontal line, and this horizontal line has a dimension of 11 unit. Then I will take a center line, and this center line has a vertical distance of 17 unit. Then I will take another center line, uh, because I will need this for 30-degree angle. Then I'll draw an inclined line of 30-degree angle with a dimension of 12.7 unit. After that, I will draw another vertical line here, and this vertical line has a dimension of 3 unit. Then I'll extend this line, and I will draw an perpendicular line along this line. Okay, and these two line will intersect at this point. Then I will use the fillet option to draw a fillet of radius 2 unit, or you can draw a manually circle, then make them tangent to each other. Both works. Then after that, I will use this center line as a mirror plane. Then I will mirror this other side also. Okay, after drawing this portion, you can see I will to proceed to along this side, and it has a total dimension of 6.5 plus 2 unit plus 6.5 unit. Okay, so let's go back to our SolidWorks. So I'm selecting this our front plane. Now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the line tool from here and draw an horizontal line of 11 unit. Okay, drawing a horizontal line of 11 unit. Okay, now select the center line from here and draw a center line, and this time this vertical center line has a distance of 17 unit. Now draw another horizontal center line because we'll draw an angle from it. Now select a line tool and draw an inclined line, and this inclined line has a dimension of 12.7 unit. Okay, now select the smart dimension tool from here, and from inclined line to this horizontal line the angle is 30-degree, so dimension it to 30-degree angle. Now press OK. After that, I'm selecting the line tool again. Now select this point and draw a vertical line, and this vertical line has a distance of 3 unit. Okay, then I'm going to draw another horizontal line along this way. Okay, after that, I can select the line tool and draw a line. Okay, draw a perpendicular line along this line. Okay, so I'm drawing a perpendicular line. You can see the relation from here. This shows the perpendicular line. Okay, after drawing a perpendicular line, or you can see by smart dimension it is 90-degree. Okay, okay, after that select the trim tools and trim this extra to portion. Now press OK. Now as we have a fillet a radius of 2 unit here, so I'm giving a fillet of 2 units radius, so I'm giving a fillet of 2 unit radius. Now select this corner. Now press OK. Now press OK. So here we can see we have a straight line, and in the same way in our case we have a straight line here, and this straight line has a dimension of 1 unit. Let's evaluate this. Okay, if we select the evaluate tools from here, now select measure and select this 2 point. Okay, and selecting this 2 point, it has a distance of 0.95410 units, so it is quite, we can say, 1 unit. Okay, you can draw it more precisely by using the tangent line, that's up to you, so I will leave it in this way. Okay, now press OK. Now it's time for we're going to mirror this portion to other side. For that, I'm selecting the from the sketch, I'm selecting the mirror interiors, and interiors to be mirror, I want to mirror this side lines. Okay, I'm selecting all the lines that I want to mirror, and I am to mirror about this center line. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude boss. Now extrude boss it to 6.5 unit plus 2 unit plus, sorry, 6.5 unit plus 6.5 unit plus 2 unit plus 6.5 unit. Okay, it is total 15 unit. Now press OK. So our first portion has been done quite well. Now again, this time let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see that we have some circular profile. Here you can see that we have one circular profile here, and this circular profile has a diameter of 9.5 unit. So in the back face, I'll draw a circle of 9.5 unit here. Then I'll extrude it to 6.5 unit. Okay. Then if we talk about the front plane. Okay. If we talk about the front plane, this one, in the front side view, and this we have a extrude cut circle, and this extrude cut circle has a diameter of 12.5 unit, and we have a extrude cut of 13 unit here. Okay, we have extrude cut of 13 unit here. After that we have another small extrude cut circle here, which is starting along this line, and this small extrude cut circle has a dimension of 6 diameter. Then I'll extrude cut it to through all. Okay, let's do all the extrude cuts portion. Now I'm selecting rotate it here and select this face, back face. Now I'll click on it. Now sketch, now normal to it. Now select before selecting cycle, let me show another dimension. All of our cycles origin are 7.5 unit apart from this horizontal line. Okay, now I am selecting the circle tool from here and drawing selecting cycle tool from here and drawing a circle along this center line. Okay, and this time the circle is 9.5 diameter because we're going to extrude boss it. Now it's my dimension it, and as the all the circle are along 7.5 unit from the horizontal line, so dimension to 7.5 unit distance from the horizontal line. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude boss, now extrude boss it to 6.5 unit. Now we are going to extrude boss it to 6.5 unit. Now press OK. So our first portion has been done. Now it's time for our extrude cut portion. For that I am selecting this front face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now select a circle. And before drawing the circle, you can see if we again want to draw this circle, we need to again dimension it. For that I am normal to it again and again normal to it for getting this surface. But our sketch will be drawn in the front surface because we have selected the front surface previously. So I'm selecting the circle tool and placing this circle to the previous circle center line, and this circle has a dimension of 12.5 unit. Okay, dimension of 12.5 unit. Now I select it for a better view. You can see that we have normal it two times, but as we have selected this surface, the sketch is been drawn into this surface. Now press OK. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to 13 units. So dimension it to 13 unit. Now press OK. So this extrude cut portion has been done. Now you can rotate here and select this inner face. Now right click on it. Now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the circle tool from here and place the circle to the previous circle center line center, and this time the circle has a dimension of 6 diameter. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features. Now extrude cut. Now extrude cut it to through all. So I extrude cut it to through all, or you can dimension it to manually. Both works. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Let's go back to our sketch. In our sketch we can see our this section A view has been shown in here. Okay, our this portion. Now we'll draw this two extrude cut circle, and for drawing this two extrude cut circle, first of all we can see that each of the extrude cut circle has a diameter. Okay, it has a diameter of 9 unit, and then we can see along this line it has a distance of 6.35 unit, but along this side line it has a distance of 6.5 unit. So first of all I will select this face and draw an extrude circle for that, and then I'll select that face for draw an extrude circle for that face. Okay, Then we can see we will extrude cut. We will extrude cut to until this point, until the center point, and extrude is to until this center point. We don't want to exceed this line, because if we exceed this uh, this middle line, we will going to cut this portion. We don't want that. Then after that, we can see we have some circular hole wizard here, and all the hole wizard are dimensioned to m to 0.4 unit, and this 6h is our tolerance. You can see it as the tolerance of the piece. Here is 8 pieces, so we need to cut whole all the 8 portion here. Okay, we will do extrude portion all the 8 portion here. Now for that, we can see here to here the distance is 9 unit, and here to here the distance is 9 unit. And for a reference geometry for this spherical cycle, I will take an center rectangle and draw an center rectangle here having 9 by 9 dimension. Then I will construction geometry the rectangle, then use all the corner as a reference point for construction geometry for the all the whole wizard portion. Okay, then finally in the bottom face we can see we have another same two extruder circle here, and both whole wizard has a m to 0.4 unit and 6 size tolerance, so it is placed into place, and this has a dimension of 7.5 unit from here, and apart from 5 unit, and another has a distance from here to here is 12 unit. Okay, and all the whole wizard we can see has a extrude cut of blind of 3 unit, extrude cut of blind of 3 unit, and the last one the fillet. Here we can see we have a fillet, and this fillet portion has a radius of 1 unit, so we'll give at the last the fillet portion. So I'm going to go back to our SolidWorks. So selecting this upper face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select a circle tool from here and draw a circle, and this circle has a dimension of 9 diameter. Now select smart dimension tool, and here to here the horizontal distance is 6.35 units, so dimension it to 6.35 unit, and same way here to here the vertical distance is 6.5 units, so dimension it to 6.5 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now select the blind tool from here, now select this view orientation and select this view. We don't want to exceed this after the middle line, because we don't want to cut this extra portion. Okay, so extend it to along the middle point. Okay, now press OK. So this portion has been done in the same way, and this time we'll draw same kind of extrude cut into this side portion also. For that I'm selecting this upper face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the circle tool from here and draw another circle, and this time the circle has a diameter of 9 unit. Now select the smart dimension tool, and from here to here the horizontal distance will be 6.35 unit, so dimension is 6.35 unit. Okay, now here to here the vertical distance will be 6.5 units, so dimension to 6.5 unit. Now press OK. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features, now extrude cut, now extrude cut it to blind. So I'm selecting the view orientation, now select this surface, now up to this middle point, now press OK. So our this portion also has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now it's time for we need to draw construction geometry for our whole wizard. For that I'm selecting this upper face, now right click on it, now sketch, then normal to it. Now select the center rectangle tool from here and placing it to the previous circle center. Okay, placing it to the previous circle center, and it has a dimension of 9 by 9 unit. Okay, so now press OK. So this rectangle has been done. Now right click on it, now select the construction geometry and make construction geometry of the center rectangle. Okay, this portion has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now press OK. In the similarly we will draw another construction geometry rectangle from this one. So right click on it, sketch, then normal to it. Again select the center rectangle tool from here and placing the center rectangle to the previous circle center point, and it also has a same dimension 9 by 9. Okay, now press OK. So this circle has been done. Now select right click on it. Now select construction geometry and construction geometry this circle for our whole wizard portion. Okay. Now exit sketch. Now isometric it for a better view. Now let's now go to whole wizard, and this time we'll dimension it to uh, selecting the straight tab, then tapered hole, then m2 0.4, and we have a blind of 3 units, so dimension it to 3 unit blind. Okay, now go to position. Now 3D position it. Now 3D position all the corners that we have construction geometry. So selecting all the corner point of the rectangles. Similarly rotate your sketch and select all the other 3 corners of the same way. Now press OK. So here you can see all the whole widget has been done quite well. Now you can hide this construction geometry line. Okay, I'm hiding this construction geometry line. Now I make it for a better view. Now finally we need to draw whole widget in this lower portion also. For that I'm again selecting the whole widget tool from here, and it also has the same dimensions like previous one, m2 0.4 unit. So we are going to select it blind of 3 unit. Now select position. Now 3D position. Now rotate it here and select view orientation and select this lower surface. And in this lower let me again orientate it clearly for a better understanding. View orientation. Now selecting this surface. Okay, now it is quite matching our this view here. Now placing two whole widget here and here. Okay, we have placed two whole widget. Now select this one dimension tool and this circle to this horizontal line. The distance is 7.5 unit. Now dimension it to 7.5 units. Okay, again select this circle to this line. The dimension is 5 units, so dimension it to 5 unit. In the same way we have this second circle, we will dimension it to vertically 7.5 unit, and they are having total distance of each from each other is 12 unit. So dimension these both apart from 12 units, so they are apart from 12 unit. So all the portion has been done. Now press OK. So all the whole widget has been done. Now isometric it for a better view, and now you can select the fillet tool from here, and we have a fillet of 1 unit. We give a fillet of 1 unit here, and now select this circular edge. Now press OK. So our fillet has been done. Now isometric it for a better view. Now we can see all the portion clearly by using the display style. You can go to hidden line visible. Now we can see how all the portion has been done. Okay, now I submit it for a better view. You can go to your previous view by clicking here. Okay, so as you can see we have done our 3D sketch. Thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.